Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. The inaugural staging of Grammy-nominated artist Protoje's Lost in Time Festival was held over the weekend. The festival pulled thousands of patrons and delivered on all fronts. For the stage event, Protoje, Mortimer, Leela, IK, Jesse Royal and others were in top form, along with special guest artists Savannah, Kimani Marley, Popcorn, Idonia and of course Chronixx. Here are sights and sounds from this wonderful event.
Tell them, no trust friend, no trust devil. Them a pray hard, be again pebble.
They must be from left to right and get it tonight and then grip tonight then. Man apart like super.
No, I definitely knew the people were coming out, you know. When OJ put on a show, the people them come out, you know. And honestly, there hasn't been a show like this in Jamaica in a minute. So I heard the buzz, you know, I knew people were ready to experience something different. So I expected to turn up, but I was also gassed for it.
This was my first time performing live in Jamaica in 3 years, I think. Last time I performed live was here at Rumfest, here at Hope Gardens as well. So, you know, I think for me, I was just coming in from London when I got to start rehearsing for this show. And I just knew that I wanted to create an experience instead of just going from song to song. You know, I mixed in lots of different genres and feels, as you probably can see. And for me, I just want to enjoy myself, really and truly. I just want to have a good time, you know what I mean?
Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for connecting with me, for believing in me, and for keeping me through some of the lowest, them not know, but some of the low points in my life. And I have to keep going because of me, my family, but because of you. So new music is coming, new music are forward. I'm gonna make sure Uno deserve it. We all deserve it. It's a come.
Tonight, you know, we had a wonderful experience from the welcome drink as you enter, sponsored by Red Stripe, leading into the event, providing the Skydeck experience for the patrons to enjoy the show from a view, from a height. So overall, it was a good experience. Kudos to Protoje and the team for putting on such an event.
Personally, I just want to see Chronixx sing a long time. I don't hear him sing, so I've been like, yo bro, I'm really, you know, and you don't know, it's always, I've never made the call and he's not answered it. So big up to Jamar every time. And Popcorn, me and him talk about the like royalty life for years. You know what I mean? Kimani Marley, me and him up on stage for over 10 years, and me just made some calls that I could have make. And obviously, you know, Leela come back on stage, Jesse come back, Mortimer, Savannah, you know what I mean? Long time I have Savannah touch stage, so it was good to see Savannah. I'm a fan too, you know, I just want to enjoy myself too, so that's the thing.
Lost in Time Festival boasts 2 stages as the artist set out to bring an international festival feel to the island. Well delivered. Loved it. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.